Begin by measuring the depth, width, and the inside rise on both ends of the curb. Be sure to record these dimensions. Next, mark one of the back corners 7 inches from both outside edges. Then, using a speed square, mark the 2 corners, creating a square. Next, measure 60 inches, the shower width, from the inside edge of your first corner and mark. Then, create a 7-inch square using that mark. After you've marked your corners, cut the inside corner and fold to create a flap. For the curbside corners, measure 32 inches, the inside shower depth, and then mark 7 inches from the outside edge. Then, using a square, outline your front corners. Next, measure 2.5 inches from your inside line to the edge and mark the corner with a straight edge. This is the rise of the curb on the inside of the shower on the drain side. X out this section and cut it out from the sheet waterproofing. Next, measure 60 inches from your first corner inside line and mark with a straight edge. After marking, measure in 1.5 inches, then X out this section and cut it out from the sheet waterproofing. This is the interior rise, located at the opposite end of the curb. Finally, fold in the edges of your sheet waterproofing, leaving 7 inches that will fold up the wall. Then fold waterproofing towards the drain side, as this will be the first corner to be installed. You are now ready to install in the shower bed. You are now ready to install the waterproofing in your shower.